Hello everyone, welcome to another Inner Life 101 video. First let me say welcome to the new subscribers. I just seen more subscribers come in today, so I want to welcome them as well. And here's another video. I guess it's kind of disturbing. I'm just sitting back looking at Velvet and these other women that came from Carbonation on her panel on Bigo. And then I turn to IG and I see Nature Boy. And he has a response to, all this happening and what her cousin, what Malia's cousin had to say about, her organs being damaged and that kind of stuff. So that's what this video is about. I wanted to share this with you. Hold on.
Blood, honey, with fluid around your heart. Okay. You see what I'm saying? That's not healthy. I want y'all to go look up what fluid around your heart does. Your heart is your main organ in your body other than your brain.
And so I feel like that comes from him doing anal with her, and he's got that acidic acid.
It was.
And it's just going in her bloodstream.
Yeah, because I remember when everybody was talking about it, like, they were saying he got banned because he had Malia on live and her whole rectum was, like, hanging out. That's what everybody was saying. Like, it was just hanging out. And I'm thinking, like, oh, my God, he destroyed her if that's what's going on. Like, like, I just think...
Yeah, when we was over there, she did show me because she wanted me to help her. See, hold on. Let me fix my lip gloss before I see you.
I just want to say one thing.
Hold on.
Yo, Natira, you greedy as hell come up here eating in our face like that. Alright? Just want to let you know that.
Blood, honey.
Now, they're showing a chart here that says rectal prolapse, but her cousin didn't say prolapse. She said another name. I would have to go back in the video to find it, but it wasn't prolapse. What it was, it meant a hole. That was the definition. Somebody put the definition down in the chat. So it's not a prolapse. Prolapse is when your rectum, actually protrudes from your bottom, but and they have to push it back in or stuff, but there's a hole in her anus. Now, so this is Nature Boy's response.
What you got, real nigga? Right. Taking the big dick in your ass. Cause you gonna be around Baba G and Baba G gonna make you take it and rearrange your organs.
Rearrange your insides, reorganize.
Reorganize. You gonna brainwash your organs. You gonna brainwash your organs. They gonna have you in the hospital up in New Orleans. The nigga gonna rearrange your organs. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? Fuck you in the ass and rearrange. He gonna fuck you in the ass and rearrange your organs. He gonna give you rearrangement in your organs, nigga. You know what it's called? It's called a real nigga disease. God damn, you don't fuck with a real nigga.
Okay, so where's the joke and all of that? Where's the joke? Why is that funny to him? Okay, one thing he don't realize, probably because he's somewhere he think he can't be touched, but he don't realize that sodomy is still illegal in this country. No matter how many people are doing it, it's still illegal, and people are also being arrested for that too. and charged with it. And because of all of this, they have a little drive on Instagram where they want everyone to call this number for human trafficking against Eligio Bishop. I'm not sure what the bases are for it, but you know what you would tell them online, but I mean when you call, but that's what they're doing. Let's see. Oh wow, they have a whole thing here. I don't think I can even see it. Let's see, it says carbonation falling. Mention these things. Oh, mention these things when you call. Members appearing malnourished, showing signs of physical injuries and abuse. Velvet Marquez and Tanisha DeLay's fight at the beach. Avoid eye contact, social interaction, and authority figures, law enforcement, and or law enforcement. Members not being able to speak to anyone outside of the cult. Seeming to adhere to strict or rehearsed responses in social interaction. Lacking official identification documents. Eligio Bishop retains all personal documentation upon arrival to Carbonation. Appearing, what is this? Desolate? Oh, appearing desolate and or lacking personal perception. It says checking into hotels, motels with older males and referring to those males as boyfriend or daddy, which is often street slang for pimp. Eligio Bishop and members going from Airbnb to Airbnb and referencing all the women as his wives, which is illegal in this country too. That's bigamy. Poor physical and dental health. Tanisha DeLay. I guess her last name is DeLay. Tanisha DeLay, currently hospitalized since leaving Carbonation with several STDs. Ex-members admitting to leaving with STDs. Tattoos and or branding on the neck and on lower back. Love tattoos and his name on the women's lower regional area. Don't forget the one they had on their face. Tanisha even has it on her face as well. Over their eye. I think that's on their left side. Let me see. And untreated sexually transmitted diseases, and not allowing people to go into public alone or speak for themselves. So that's what they want you to say when you call. And the number to call and report Eligio Bishop for human trafficking is 888-373-7888. And that's supposed to help get him for human trafficking and have him removed from the island, I believe. And it looks like Pisces has his nose broken again. His chest looks kind of red too. just like around his nose, like even up in his forehead, like he had just been in a fight or something. And looked like his nose is broken. But he always had a strange looking nose, but I mean, come on, we know that's definitely damaged there. And it says the signs of abuse. It says never forget the signs of abuse. That's Tanisha. I don't know if that's abuse or if that's herpes. And of course, True's eyes all messed up. She just looks sick. This is Sheba. And we know what that is. After that fight, that's Tanisha's breast when she got bitten. And just look how malnourished they are. And look at what's her name up there? Who is that? She looks so bad back there. What's her name? No, that's Zoka. Zoka looks really, really bad. And that's that fight. Which is horrible, horrible, horrible. And that's Tanisha in the corner, being punished by a maniac. Okay, and here's another one that they have going on Instagram. And it says that I just got off the phone with Puerto Rico. This is the email address to pass on to anyone interested in getting Nature Boy off the island. And I think I got a bigger, let me see. Yeah, that's the email address right there. And that's the phone number down there. Looks like the same phone number. Yeah, that's the phone number there. So, any of you interested in trying to shut Nature Boy down and stop the abuse, even if it's for a little while, you never know. You might be stepping into somebody that's getting ready to get hurt right now, you know, at this moment or something, and or at this, you know, at the time that they decide they're going to go and look into them, and the time that you call, or you know what I mean, once you call and then they go and decide they're going to look into them because so many people called, you might be helping someone at that time. So he might be just ready to beat somebody up or something. Who knows? Anyways, I'm going to leave it at this. And maybe I'll replay his response again, let you see that. And because it was so short. So let you see that. And I will see you in the next video. Peace and blessings.
Cause you gonna be around Baba G, and Baba G gonna take it and rearrange your organs. Rearrange your insides, reorganize. Reorganize. You gonna brainwash your He gonna brainwash your organs. He gonna have you in the hospital up in New Orleans. The nigga gonna rearrange your organs. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? Fuck you in the ass and rearrange. He gonna fuck you in the ass and rearrange your organs. He gonna give you rearrangement in your organs, nigga. You can't feel what it's called. It's called a real nigga disease. God damn, you gonna fuck with a real nigga. You done got a real nigga. What you got, real nigga? Right. Taking the
That's what we're dealing with.